Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to collect subscribers directly to your Mailchimp account from your website. To get started, the only thing you will require apart from a Wix website is a Mailchimp account. Head over to your Mailchimp account and click on List. Click on the list you want your subscribers to be entered in, and then click on Settings, List Name and Defaults. Copy the list ID and keep it in a notepad or Word for later use. Then head over to Account, Extras and API Keys. Scroll down and create a new API key and copy the API key which will be provided afterwards. Now head over to the link in the description below to see the code. First of all, you need to go into your backend and create a .jsw new web module. Name it Mailchimp with a capital C, and then come over here and click on backend code. The only thing you need to do is copy this entire code and paste it on your backend file. Remember to insert the API key and the list ID where it's shown. After this, go over to the page where you will have the input element which will be collecting your email addresses. Then come back here and click on page code and copy this entire thing on your page. Now the way this functions is on an after save command. So you need to link up the input element to a database and then have the data set after save function over here. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and start testing it out. You can see that I've already tested one over here and I have received the email. You can design your emails as you want on Mailchimp. If you need any assistance with digital marketing, website development or designing, I'll leave my email in the description below. Feel free to contact me.